Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Until You Quit. Today we are entering into the topic that is modern history. The MCQs which we discussed today are the most important questions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Let's start the today session. Who was the first governor of the Portuguese? The answer is Francisco de Almeida, and he introduced the policy of blue water. Who was the second governor of Portuguese? And the answer is Francis Albuquerque, and he introduced the policy of imperialism. The Battle of Plassey was fought on 23rd June 1757. Siraj Ullah and English forces under Clive. The dual government of Bengal was started in. It was started in 1765. Who ended the dual system of government in 1772? Warren Hastings. Hyder Ali died during which war? The War of Second Anglo-Mysore War. In which war did Tipu Sultan was died? During Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, the Lord Wellesley attacked and killed. Which was the capital of Tipu Sultan? The capital of Tipu Sultan is Srirangapatnam, and he planted the tree of liberty. Who is called as 10th Sikh Guru? And the answer is Guru Gobind Singh. This timeline is the most important one. The questions which we asked like who is called as 4th Sikh Guru and the name of 4th Sikh Guru, like that. So remember all the 10 Sikh Gurus. Let's move on to the next question. Who was the greatest ruler in Punjab? And the answer is Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and he occupied the capital Lahore in 1799. He conquered Amritsar. The Sikhs' power was broken by the British after the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The next question. Who became the first Chief Commissioner of Punjab? The answer is John Lawrence. Who wrote the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Dadabhai Nagarojee, and he is also called as the Grand Old Man of India. Who planted the permanent settlement? And the answer is John Shore. How much percentage did British government got a fixed revenue? 10 by 11. And 1% of the share is given to zamindars. Founder of Brahmo Samaj and Atmiya Samaj. The answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and he was born in 1772 in Purwan districts in West Bengal and started the movement called Abolition of Sakti. Founder of Arya Samaj. The founder of Arya Samaj is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. After the death of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the Brahma Samaj was led by Devendranath Tagore, founder of Theosophical Society. And the answer is Madam H. P. Blavatsky and Colonel H. S. Olcott. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? The answer is Swami Vivekananda in 1887. The question is asked in various competitive exams. The revolt of 1857 is occurred during the governorship of Lord Canning. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? 1884 by A.O. Hume. The founder of INC is A.O. Hume. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in. It was held in Bombay in 1885. The first president of INC. The answer is W.C. Banerjee, and he is the lawyer of Calcutta. The next question. Who started the Home Rule League? The Home Rule League was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who said the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is in Gujarat. It is approximately 182 meters. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? The answer is Bhagat Singh. The meaning of Inqilab Zindabad is long live the revolution. Who is called the father of nation? That we all know, that is Mahatma Gandhi. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place in Punjab on the day of 13th April 1999 by General Dyer, and the real name is Reginald Dyer. He gave the shooting order to kill thousands of people. And this video will definitely help your examinations. Please kindly share to your friends and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.